Assalamu alaikum, hope all of you are doing good. So today's our topic is going to be applications of electrostatic. So applications of electrostatic, static electricity has important applications in our daily lives. With include photocopying, card printing, extracting dust from dirty carpets and from chimneys of industrial machineries, etc. As well as as well also those of them, an electrostatic air cleaning is used in homes to relieve the most discomfort of allergy sufferers. Air mixed with dust and pollens enters the voids of them as well as in them. The electrostatic force of attractions between the positively charged particle in the air and the negatively charged metal causes the particles to deposit the things. We can remove a very high percentage of contaminants from the air stream. Automobile manufacturers use static electricity to paint nav cars. The body of a car is charged and then the paint is ever the positive charge by charging the nozzle of the sprayer in them. So taking acknowledgements of them, we get them how they are dealing with us, how they getting them. So it sticks much better to the car and it is smoother because it is uniformly distributed. This is a very effective, efficient and economical way of painting automobiles on very large scale. Some hazards of static electricity. The phenomena of electric lightning occurs due to a large quantity of electric charge which builds up in the heavy thunderclouds. The thunderclouds are charged by frictions between the water molecules in the thunderclouds and the air molecules. When the charge on the thundercloud is sufficiently high, it induces opposite charge on the objects present on the ground, giving rise to a strong electric field between the cloud and the ground. Suddenly, the charge in cloud jumps to the ground with a violent spark and explosion. This is called lightning as well as in them. If static charges are allowed to discharge through these areas where the petrol vapor of free can occurs, we get the acknowledgements how they are dealing with them, how they are getting acknowledgements of them. So electric static induction is the process of charging an inductor without any interact contact with the charging bodies as well as Coulomb's law state that the force of attractions or repulsions between two charged bodies is directly proportional to the product of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them mathematically. As well as electric field is a region of space surrounding a charged body in which a unit positive charge can experience force. As well as electric potentials at any point in the field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Unit of potential is volt, which is equal to 1 joule of work done in moving one coulomb of positive charge from infinity to that point. As well as capacitor is a device which is used to store electrical charge. Capacitance is the ability of a capacitance to store electrical charge. Its SI unit is farad. Of one coulomb positive charge given to one of the plates of the capacitor develops a potential difference of 1 watt. Then its capacitance will be 1 farad. As well as the equivalent capacitance of a parallel combination of n capacitor is given by them. The equivalent capacitor of a series combination n capacitor is given by also them. So chargings in motions constitute electric current. This chapter will include you to current, electricity and related phenomena such as conventional currents, Ohm's law, electric powers, joules, heating effect, hazards of electricity and safety measures. As well as in them, we will also learn how current or voltage is measured in a circuit by electrical devices. As well as most of the electric charge around us is bound in neutral atoms. It is not easy to overcome the electrostatic force of attractions between the nuclei and are free to move around randomly. They have weak force between them and the nucleus. Similarly, in free solutions, some positive and negative charges can freely move around randomly. So hope you like this video. See you in next.